Let's write the structural formula for 2-butanol. So for 2-butanol, we could write the molecular formula. That would look like this. But this really doesn't tell us how these atoms are arranged. For that, we need the structural formula of 2-butanol. Let's do that. So we can see it ends in OL. That tells us that we're going to have an alcohol. We're going to have a carbon bonded to an OH group. So when we write the chemical formula, the molecular formula here, the OH goes on the end to help us see that this is an alcohol. So we have our alcohol, and in the but right there, that tells us that we'll have 4 carbons. That'll be the longest chain. So we're going to have a chain of 4 carbons, going to have an OH group on it, and that OH group is going to be on the second carbon. So let's put a chain of 4 carbons up. And this is butane. This is an alkane because it's all single bonds. So let's number the carbons. And then on the second carbon, this one right here, we're going to put that OH. That'll make this an alcohol. And we could put it up here or down here. Doesn't really matter. So this is 2-butanol, the structural formula for 2-butanol. If the alcohol substituent group was over here on the first carbon, we would call it 1-butanol, sometimes called N-butanol or just butanol. But in this case, it's 2-butanol. We're going to put it over here. Note there's not a 3-butanol. If we move this over here, what we do is we need to renumber. So this is on the lowest number. So it'd be 1, 2. So this would also be considered 2-butanol. This is Dr. B with the structural formula for 2-butanol and the molecular or chemical formula C4H9OH. Thanks for watching.